guys, how are you doing today? Welcome back to the Matters Home. Have you ever dreamt of owning a 5 or 4 bedroom duplex in Nigeria? What if I told you that the difference between a dream and a reality might just be 75 million naira away or even less? Let's break it down. But before I go on, perhaps you are wondering, this is not a promotion video. I just decided to dive into homes, showcasing of homes and the cost in this channel, especially that my channel bears the Martins Home, and YouTube have been suggesting home in my feeds and all that. I said, let me just give it a try and see if it will interest you guys. So welcome to the Martins Home. We showcase you the real cost of building your dream house in Nigeria without sugarcoating. Let's start with the basics. If you are trying to build a 4-bedroom duplex, maybe you are in the US or Canada and you want to invest in Nigeria, maybe in areas like Ibadan, Abuja, all these places, Ibadan, Abuja, Lagos are just the southern part of Nigeria or outskirts of Abuja. Yeah, Abuja is just a central place. You could spend between 40 million naira to 65 million naira. So naira convert the dollars to this, it may not even be that costly, okay? So depending on your taste, for more urban cities like Lagos, yes, Lagos Land, Ikorodu, Alimosho, or Port Harcourt suburbs, all these places I've mentioned are parts of Nigeria. Yeah, so prepare to spend around 60 million to 80 million. The previous ones we said 40 million. This is 60 million to 80 million budget because these are big towns. Yes, this is where they are happening. And if it is high crime areas like Lekki, Lekki, Ikeja, GRA, or Asokoro, Abuja. So if it's high crime areas like Lekki, Ikeja, GRA, Asokoro, Abuja, brace yourself. The same 4-bedroom duplex might cost 100 to 150 million or more depending on land value and finishing. Now for a 5-bedroom duplex, increase your budget by at least 15 to 25%. Think 80 million and above for mid-range areas and 150 million in high-end locations. I just hope that you understand this figures I'm calling. So talking about labor like finishing and all that, bricklaying, roofing, tiling, POP, plumbing, wiring can cost you up to 12 million to 18 million depending on the complexity and location. Finishing with modern fittings like marble tiles, luxury wardrobes, chandeliers and all that can cost another 20 million to 35 million or more. So before you lay that first block, know the figures and remember that building in Nigeria isn't just about money. It's about smart planning. So make a very good plan before you proceed. Also subscribe for more videos. There are other videos on this channel, African fashion, that you will love. So also let me know in the comment section, would you like to have a property in Nigeria, invest? Do you think it's something that is a wise decision? Maybe because our currency is very low. Yes, you can use dollars and convert to big in naira. It will be such a big money. Do you think that people in diaspora can invest in Nigeria and will it be something nice? Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful house designs of 4-bedroom and 5-bedroom duplex that I have been showcasing. See you soon in our latest video. Please subscribe. Love you, my bye.